take a look here at the history of Forsgate Country Club, located in New Jersey. This is a 36-hole complex that dates back to an old dairy farming in the golden age of golf architects. It opened officially in 1931. The club honors both sides of the founding fathers by combining the first four letters of the name, F-O-R-S, and the first four letters of his wife's maiden name, G-A-T-E. This was a record-breaking dairy farm to fairways concept from rags to riches. John Forster, who was a Scottish immigrant, arrived to the United States with almost nothing. Through hard work and his insurance company, he became very wealthy. In 1913, he purchased about 50 acres of land and operated a high-end dairy operations and became widely successful due to it. In 1921, local papers reported that the farm broke a record-breaking producing of the most milk in 60 days. There was a shift to golf, though. His passion of golf started in Scotland by purchasing the adjacent land right before the Great Depression to build a world-class playground for business and friends and employees. His dream came into fruition when Charles Banks came in to duty machinery to make massive bunker and putting green surfaces. The implementation of template holes were added on to hole 3 with the Eden, reverse Redan, and also one few throughout the course. This is a masterpiece, and it had a heartbreaking finish with a dramatic twist at the end. John Forster and Charles Banks died in 1931, right before the construction concluded. Neither man got to singly play this course and masterpiece before its creation. In 1947, long before commercial aviation was mainstream, the construction of an air park directly on the property took place. A small private prop planes would fly directly over the golfers and land smoothly on the runway next to the course. The club staff would spot oncoming planes and drive a follow-me-up Jeep on the strip to guide the pilot and their golf clubs directly to the clubhouse, where they can enjoy a beautiful breakfast and a first of the tea time if they get there early. The course seen some expansions of memberships throughout the years. Hal Purdy added 9-hole loop here, turned it into an 18-hole golf course. A decade later, in 1995, Arnold Palmer brought it completion and remodel of this course. Eventually, the Palmer course was changed in this historical Banks course. Major events like the LPGA Coca-Cola Classic in the 1970s, and also major golf matches between Arnold Palmer and Jack Nicklaus have taken place at this course. With all this rich history and just being in your backyard, hopefully you can get out there and learn a little bit more about this course with the professor. If you have any information, be sure to add it in the comment section below.